What's the meaning of comic relief? Comic relief. Comic relief.
Comic relief. Comic relief. Comic Relief is a UK-based charity organisation that aims to tackle poverty and social injustice through humour and laughter. It was founded in 1985 by comedians Lenny Henry and Richard Curtis. The organization's main event is the Red Nose Day Telethon, which is held biennially and features various comedic skits, music performances, and other fundraising activities. The funds raised are then distributed to various local and international charities working on poverty reduction, education, and health initiatives. Comic Relief has raised over £1 billion since its inception and has positively impacted millions of lives around the world.